Need to switch your Instagram profile back to personal account? In this video, I will show you how to flip your business or creator account to a personal account. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is launch open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now, tap on the profile picture in the bottom right corner of your screen. This will take you to your profile page. Now, tap on the three lines at the top right corner, which will take you to settings. Now, scroll down a bit, you will find the option of Business Tools and Controls. Tap on that. Scroll down a bit and you will find the option of Switch Account Type. Tap on that. Now you can either switch to a personal account or switch to creator account. Go ahead and select personal account. This box will appear asking you if you want to switch to a personal account. Go ahead and tap on this option to confirm. As you can see, you have been successfully switched back to your personal account. And that's it. Your profile is now a personal account. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.